Do you ever tell yourself just one more bite and then suddenly the whole thing is gone? Or do you find yourself eating because you're stressed, angry, sad, mad, or just emotional? A lot of the times, the reason why people don't have their dream bodies is because they are stuck in the cycle of overeating. What took me from looking like this to like this the fastest wasn't even my workout routine or my meal changes. It was the fact that I stopped my bad habit of overeating, because that was a huge, bad, horrible habit I had. At midnight, I loved to clear my fridge. Like, I was looking for all the sweet treats once the clock hit 11 p.m. And I would eat all these sweet treats and I couldn't stop myself from eating them. And then I would get really full. If I went out to eat, like, I think like as part of my culture, we're always taught to finish our food, but I wanted to clear my food and more. And I was always feeling full, bloated, and honestly sick. And it was truly these 7 things that taught me how to discipline myself and how to stop overeating. So if you're also stuck in this cycle of overeating and that's preventing you from having your dream body, then this video is for you, because in this video I will tell you the 7 tips or the 7 things that helped me to stop overeating. And I've been there, but I'm on the other side now, and you can be on the other side too after this video. So if you want to learn, then go ahead and keep on watching. My first tip to stop overeating is to slow down when you eat. Oh my gosh, I used to eat so fast, and I don't know if it's because my first job ever was In and Out and we had like 10 minutes to down a burger and fries, but I would literally eat so fast. Like, as soon as I got my food, I didn't think, I didn't talk, I didn't do anything. I just ate until my plate was cleared, and I wouldn't even realize like how much I ate until I stood up and I was so full. Your body literally takes 20 minutes to process that it is full. So if you're eating faster than 20 minutes, then you don't even know when you're full. And that's why you stand up feeling extremely full, because you didn't realize your full point because you were eating too fast. So a huge thing that will help you to stop overeating is to slow down, because then you will be able to get that signal from your body when you are feeling full. My second tip to stop overeating is to eat balanced meals. You have to eat protein, carbs, and healthy fats. I think a huge reason why I was stuck eating my whole entire fridge of sweet treats at 11 p.m. was because I wouldn't eat full meals throughout the day. Like, I would just snack all day, or I would eat like a little bit of this here and a little bit of that there, but I wasn't having a full meal that would fill me up balancedly and healthily. I don't know if those are words. But then whenever it was nighttime, I was hungry and my brain would go to sweet treats because that's what it was craving. So something that will really help you stop overeating is if you have your healthy, balanced meals throughout the day, so that way you don't like have cravings at night. My third tip to stop overeating is to stay hydrated. Sometimes you're not hungry, you're just thirsty. Like, your body is telling you you're thirsty and you think you're hungry, so then you go eat. Like, if you think you're hungry, sometimes just drink a glass of water and then wait 10 minutes. And if you're still hungry, then you are hungry. But if not, you were just thirsty. A lot of the times you're dehydrated. Let me tell you something, we are not drinking enough water. You're probably not drinking enough water today. If you're probably watching this video dehydrated, go drink some water. My fourth tip to stop overeating is to do not eat from the packaging or the bag. Portion out something for yourself. I used to have the bad habit of eating chips out the bag or eating cookies out the bag, and then when I realized, the whole bag was gone. So something that really helped me was to portion out. I'm gonna literally take out a plate, and I know it sucks because we hate to wash dishes, but just do it. Just do it for your body. Your body will thank you. Portion out however many cookies you want, however many chips you want, and I promise you that, like, putting it on the plate, even if you want more after, like, you're gonna kind of feel guilty because you're like breaking your and if you do want more, then make yourself serve yourself some more. So that way, like, your brain kind of registers it as like you're already overeating because you said you were going to eat this much and now you want some more. But if you're eating out of the bag or eating mindlessly out of packaging, you don't know how much you're eating, and that's easily going to lead you to overeating. My fifth tip, and I practice this religiously, is to have conscious shopping when you are at the grocery store. If you don't buy it, you won't eat it. It's as simple as that. I know when you're at the grocery, first of all, don't go to the grocery store hungry because you will buy the whole grocery store. And second of all, when you are at the grocery store, it is so much easier to stop yourself from buying things than it is when you have the thing at home to stop yourself from eating it. So stop yourself at the store, because once it gets home, your self-control is going to go down by like 90%. I know that when I'm like, okay, I'm going to buy it and I'm just going to have one every night. Nope, the whole bag of chocolates is gone by tonight. So literally have conscious shopping. It's easier to shop consciously than it is to eat consciously. So start at the grocery store. My sixth tip, I call this HALT. Stop, literally halt. And it means, are you hungry, angry, lonely, or tired? Halt. HALT. Hungry, angry, lonely, or tired. A lot of times when you're eating, it's not because you're actually hungry. It's because you're emotional. Like I know I eat a lot when I'm lonely. Like if I'm stuck at home all day, I just want to be eating all day. I don't know if it like makes me feel better or what, but like I love to eat whenever I'm just chilling at home all day long by myself. So like, am I eating because I'm lonely right now? Am I eating because I'm tired? Sometimes you're stressed and tired and you just eat out of habit. Are you eating because you're depressed, like, or angry or emotional? Because a lot of times your eating will come just to make yourself feel better, you know? And if you're eating because of those reasons versus because you're hungry, like, be aware of it and tell yourself, like, is this gonna do me good? Is this gonna give my dream body? Is this even gonna heal my emotions? Like, is overeating gonna help me feel better? It's not. It's literally not gonna cure your sadness. It's not gonna cure your angriness. It's not gonna cure your tired or stressedness. It's just gonna make it worse because now you're gonna be stressed plus full plus feeling fat. So stop yourself. Like, halt, halt. Put that in your brain. Halt. 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 Stop. And finally, my 7th tip is to ask yourself, how will you feel after this meal? How will you feel after you eat a bag of chips? How will you feel after you overate a whole thing of chocolate? You know, like, think about the after feeling, because a lot of times after you overeat, you don't even feel good. Like, you feel full, you feel disgusting. I used to feel like I don't even want to say it, but I just felt horrible. And if you tell yourself, or if you ask yourself, like, that self-awareness while you're eating, like, how am I going to feel after I finish this whole bag of chocolate, or after I eat this whole bag of chips? Like, I'm not going to feel that great. And if you just come to awareness, that might stop you from overeating. But if that doesn't stop you, then I know the other 6 tips that I told you before will stop you. And one of these, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 7 are going to stop you. And after this video, you're going to stop overeating. And when you stop overeating after 2 months, you will see huge changes in your body, and you will reach or be really close to your dream body, because you can do it. It's just a bad habit you have. I had the bad habit of overeating too, but you know what? I conquered it. And I might slip here and there, but I'm still winning. So I know you will win too, and I know these tips will help you. And I'll catch you guys in my next video, because here I am to give you guys my best tips on how I became a better version of myself, to help you become a better version of yourself. Bye bye. Angel kisses.